Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you? Alhamdulillah. My name Ali Abdullah. NIM 201224001069. Okay, just go ahead. Here you will present a presentation about the Zoom application. What is Zoom meeting app? Zoom is a conferencing service based on cloud computing. This app allows you to meet other people virtually, whether it's a video call, voice call, or both. Interestingly, all conversation via Zoom can be recorded for later viewing. Zoom main features. Number 1, HD video and audio. Number 2, share screen. And then number 3, scheduling. Number 4, reaction. And then number 5, manage participant. Number 6, records. And the last, number 7, chat. Next. Zoom app event address. 1. Large space capacity. The learning process which is usually carried out in one class be about 30 until 40 people can indeed be accommodated in this one application. Because with all the features it has, this application is able to provide a special service in the form of communication by video up to 100 access for members in one discussion forum. Number 2, good video and sound quality. An online meeting will certainly be valuable if the sound quality and video resolution displayed is not the best. Maybe we can catch what the other person is saying. Zoom is able to deliver clear video quality and clear sound so that it will be easier when communicating. Next. Number 3, various features. Zoom has access features to turn on and off the sounds and picture. This access is claimed to be quite useful for users, especially in sound quality. When a discussion is running, of course, it must provide conditions conducive to smooth activities. The feature of muting the microphone on discussion participants can be one of these alternatives. You can record and save videos during the meeting, brighten your skin tone, change the background as desired to schedule online meeting. Next, number 4, support presentation. For those of you who want to explain or understand a material more deeply, in the Zoom application you can present material files to other participants. Both participants and presenters can doodle on the presentation so that it will be easier to deepen the material. This is very useful in the online learning process. Next, disadvantages of Zoom app. 1. Wasteful use of data quota. Wasteful use of data quota is one of Zoom's shortcomings. This can happen because Zoom's extensive access allows for greater internet data usage, so it is recommended for you to provide sufficient internet data, or if necessary, use the type of unlimited quota which is not limited to the use of data access. 2. No Indonesian language available. Zoom technology does not provide Indonesian language as a feature to support discussion or live broadcast. Access language that may still be used for user are English, Portuguese, Dutch, and so on. So it will be quite difficult for those of you who do not understand English. But this is not a serious problem because with Google Translate you can understand English sentences well. Next. Number 3, data is vulnerable to being stolen. The cat feature on Zoom can be used to steal usernames and password for Zoom user on Windows. The trick is to send a chat containing a URL link. This is what makes many Zoom account hacks and their username password are sold on the dark web. The trick is the use UNC injection using the URL link that is sent to the cat room when a live Zoom occurs. Number 4, malware threat. The installation of the Zoom app on Mac OS occurs in a strange fashion and is similar to malicious software. aka malware, there are manipulation and discrepancies between the description and those carried out by the Zoom software. Next, how to use Zoom. Nah, how to change Zoom instant meeting. 1. Open the Zoom app or website. Select the Join a Meeting menu or tap Join. 3. Enter link or meeting ID. Number 4. Fill in participant name. And the last, number 5, click Join. How to make your own meeting on Zoom. Number 1. Open the Zoom app. Number 2. Log into your Zoom account, or if you haven't already. Number 3. Click the new meeting menu for start the meeting right then. And number 4. Click the schedule menu to schedule a meeting for another time. Number 5. Invite meeting participant by copying the personal meeting ID in the meeting tab. Number 6, click the icon in the upper left corner of the meeting window and copy the invite link. For user, always update Zoom application both on PC and mobile. Nah, this slide has tips for keeping Zoom meeting safe. For users 1. Always update the Zoom application both on PC and mobile. 2. Do not equate Zoom password with password for other account. 3. Use a paid antivirus for computer. Recommendation Bitfunder Total Security on Tokopedia. The next, pay close attention to Zoom's official website, namely Zoom Use. Do not download application from Zoom websites other than Zoom Use. And then do not turn on the camera or microphone unnecessarily. And the last, make sure you don't show information about your location when attending a meeting. If necessary, you can use the virtual background feature. For hosts, 1. Always activate the passwords during meetings. 2. Activate waiting room after setting the meeting schedule. And number 3, turn off the remote control and remote support features in the account settings. The last, disable screen sharing for participant if not needed. Now, conclusion. It turns out managing a Zoom meeting video conference is not that difficult, right? Remember, when doing work from home, don't be too pressured so that your work is not of high quality. Maybe you can start looking for freelance work from home so it doesn't get too late. However, for those of you who don't use video conferencing to do work from home, there are several other activities you can do while self-isolating. For example, be creating a vlog containing self-isolation activities, enjoying the web promos, or trying to create a blog for your portfolio. If you are still confused, watch the following video to find the answer spirit. Okay, thank you. I am done with my presentation. I hope it's useful. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.